Hello there, this is Mehdi, and in this video I'll discuss why we need Google Manager account, and then we'll create a Google Manager account. Suppose you have a multiple Google Ads account, or you have an agency like me and you have multiple Google Ads account of your clients. So it's very difficult to manage these accounts separately. Then we will create a Google Manager account and link all this ad account with Google Manager account for easy management. Now I will open a new tab and type Google Manager account. And then press the enter button. Here you found the menu website, but we open the first website, and this is the Google Manager account website. Okay, I click this link, and here I click start now. And here say confirm your business information. First of all, I write our business name. I write my own name as a business name, Mehdi. Here says primary use of account. That means which purpose you use this account. So first option is manage other people's account, and second option is manage my account. So I use this manager account for our clients. So I click this option, manage other people's account, and then I select billing country, time zone and currency, and click here I am not a robot. So fill up this option, select all images with a bus. Okay, and then click the submit button. Congrats, you're all done. So, and then I go to explore your account, and this is our Google Manager account. So now I will link our all Google Ads account in this manager account. So we click the account section and click here the plus icon button and select link existing account. So here says enter or paste your customer ID, one per line. So here paste our Google Ads account ID. So now I am go to my Google Ads account ID, ads.google.com, and press the enter button. Sign in, select my ads account, and this is my Google Ads account ID, and I copy this ID and paste here, and then send request. And I go to our Google Ads account and go to admin, access and security, and manager, and accept this invitation. Then I go to my manager account and click here. You can see that practice one, my Google Ads account are linked here successfully. So same process, I link my another Google Ads account. Click here and go to my another Google Ads account, and copy this ad account ID and go to my manager account, clicks account, and then click the plus icon and link existing account, and this ID now paste here, send request. Okay, then I will go my Google Ads account and go to admin section, then access and security manager, and accept this invitation, grant access. Okay, now I will come back my manager account, refresh, and you can see that my two Google Ads account are successfully linked here. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or any problem, please message me or comment below.